Bonjour tout le monde et bienvenue à Learn French by Suchita. Je m'appelle Suchita, votre enseignante de la langue française, and I welcome you to 21-day vocabulary challenge where you will master more than 300 French words in just 21 days. By the end of this challenge, you will know the most frequently used words in French.
Before we begin with this video, I would like to introduce you to my website www.learnfrenchbysuchita.com, where you will find recorded courses for all your French language needs. We have courses for DELF A1, DELF A2, DELF B1, TEF TCF recorded course, French phonetics as well. We have special courses for our school students ranging from grade 5 to grade 8. We also have courses for university students who are enrolled in certificate course or diploma course in Delhi University. And finally, we also have courses for our school students who are aiming to appear for their DELF Prem or DELF Junior examinations. So hurry up and check it out.
So without any further ado, let's get into the video. And in every video, I'm going to teach approximately 10 to 15 new French words. And at the end of the video, we are going to revise all of them together. Make sure you watch and follow this series in order because the difficulty level is going to increase according to the days. I would also like to tell that this video is just a small portion of our learning program. So if you're looking for complete French learning program, you can visit our website www.learnfrenchbysuchita.com and you will find the link in the description box below. So let's just start with the video. And this video is day 7. Les couleurs. Les couleurs. Les couleurs. Couleurs. C'est vraiment important que vous répétiez après moi. So you have to repeat after me each time. Les couleurs. The colors. Les couleurs. La couleur. La couleur. So the previous one was plural. And in the singular form, why have I written in the singular form? Because in the singular form, this word is an exception. It does not end with E, but still it is feminine. So it's la couleur or une couleur. C'est féminin. The meaning is the color. So les couleurs, the colors. La couleur, the color. Jaune. Jaune. Jaune, which means yellow. Jaune, yellow. So you can learn it by the disease jaundice. In jaundice, what happens? Your skin turns pale. It turns yellow. So jaune, which means yellow. Rouge. Rouge. Rouge, which means red. Rouge. By the way, if you want to master the pronunciation of French R, I'm dropping the link in the card above. You can watch that video and then come back here again. So, rouge. Rouge, which means red. Bleu. Bleu. The pronunciation of EU is E, so it is bleu. Bleu. The meaning is blue. Bleu. Vert. 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 Follow my lip movement. Vert. Vert. Green. The last consonant in French is silent. So you say vert. T is silent. Vert, which means green. Rose. Rose. Rose, which means pink. You see, it's very similar to red, but red is rouge and pink is rose. Rouge, rose. Rouge is red, rose is pink. On continue. Marron. 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 Brown. Marron. Marron, which is brown. On continue. Blanc. You don't have to pronounce C. It is not blanc. No. Blanc. 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 Which means white. Blanc. On continue. Noir. Noir. So OI in French is always OA. OA. So noir. Noir. Which is black. Noir. Gris. 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 Gris, which means gray. Gris. Gris. Orange. 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 Violet. 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 Which means violet, or you can also say purple. Violet. 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 On continue avec blond. Blond. D is silent. Blond. Blond. Which in English is a blonde color. It's actually a shade of yellow. Blond. Blond. You have blonde hair like that. So blond. Blond. In English, that's blonde, but in French, that's blond. Blond. Argenté. 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 Argenté, which is silver. Argenté. Doré. 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 Doré, which is golden. Doré. On continue. Bronze. Bronze. Répétez après moi. Bronze. And very clearly, it means bronze. 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 On continue avec lilas. 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 Lilas, that's lilac. Lilas. Lilas. Bordeaux. Bordeaux. This is also a region in France. Bordeaux. But that's also a color. It means burgundy. Bordeaux. 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 X is silent. Bordeaux. So finally, let's just revise all of them together. La couleur. La couleur. La couleur. Remember, I told you this word is an exception. It is not ending with E, but still it is feminine. La couleur. La couleur. The color. Jaune. 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 That means yellow. Rouge. 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 That's red. Bleu. Bleu. Which means blue. Vert. Vert. Which means green. Rose. Rose. Which is pink. Marron. 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 Which is brown. Blanc. 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 That's white. Noir. 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 That's black. Gris. 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 That's gray. Orange. 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 That's orange. Violet. 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 Violet, that's violet, or you can also say purple. Blond. Blond. Blond, that's blonde. Argenté. Argenté. Argenté, that's silver. Doré. Doré. Doré, that's golden. Bronze. Bronze. Bronze, that's bronze. Lila. Lila, that's lilac. Bordeaux. Bordeaux. Bordeaux, and that's burgundy. Okay, so that's it for day 7. Make sure before day 8 video is released, you have watched and learned very properly from day 1 to day 7. And if you like this video, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and do not forget to share this series with your friends and relatives, whosoever is learning French. And I'll see you soon with the next video. Till then, au revoir, à bientôt et bisous bisous.